Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, where we bring you real-world insights on the latest motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kawasaki KLR650, a legendary dual sport that continues its long-standing legacy. Rugged, dependable, and built to go the distance, the latest KLR gets subtle improvements while staying true to its core values. Design and styling. The 2026 KLR650 maintains its classic adventure styling with a few modern touches. New color schemes and updated body graphics give it a fresh look without straying too far from its familiar silhouette. The large front fairing, tall windscreen, and wide handlebars all signal long-distance readiness. Practicality remains the priority with a sturdy frame and integrated luggage mounting points. Engine and performance. Powering the KLR is the reliable 652 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, now slightly refined for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. While it won't win races, the torquey power delivery and smooth throttle response make it ideal for mixed terrain. The 5-speed gearbox remains, paired with fuel injection for consistent performance in varying conditions. It's a workhorse engine built to keep going no matter where you ride. Technology and features. In 2026, Kawasaki introduces a new digital instrument panel with better visibility and Bluetooth connectivity. The KLR now features a basic ABS system, which is optional on off-road trims. Other features like USB charging ports, LED lighting, and improved electrical systems enhance the bike's usability for long rides and remote travel. It's not overloaded with tech, but everything here is practical and built for adventure, ride quality, and comfort. The long travel suspension and plush seat make the KLR650 surprisingly comfortable for long days in the saddle. It soaks up rough roads with ease, while the tall stance provides excellent visibility. On gravel or asphalt, the bike feels stable and forgiving, though its weight is noticeable in tighter trails. Still, for the solo adventurer or daily commuter, it's a solid and confidence-inspiring ride. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR650 isn't about speed or flash. It's about going anywhere, anytime with reliability you can count on. With light tech upgrades and the same go-anywhere spirit, the KLR remains one of the best value adventure bikes out there. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Reviews Pro. Subscribe for more real-world reviews that matter.